Hi guys, it's Twister BMX9 here, and I'm going to be doing a 2013-2014 setup. So here we go. Let's start with my helmet. Got the 1664 helmet. It's cushioned. It's really good. It's soft. I like it. It absorbs a lot of impact, so you won't get concussions. Right, let's go on to my shin pads. These are the Union shin pads. I really like them a lot. They're very soft, and they're like, you have 3 Velcro straps here, and you can tighten them up. If you used to use, like, say, I don't know, like soccer shin pads, you have the one strap up above by your knee, and then you have the ankle strap, and this just keeps onto your leg, so when you put it underneath your pants or something like that, it just feels a lot better, like your actual leg. Really like that. Alright, so then I have the CTX Sports volleyball elbow pads, but I use them as knee guards. I really like these. They're very flexible, so if you're going to be doing like trying to learn a new trick on something, say a rail, or you're trying to do something off your spine, and you throw your bike and you're going to slide on your knees, you're just going to slide with these and it's not going to hurt your knees. It's very good. They're very cushiony, and they're cheap too. Alright, let's go on to chain. Again, you might notice that my bike is in parts because I've been working on my new bike and it's coming along. KMC Cool Chain. I like it. Not much about it, it's just strong. 1 second. I'm working. Alright, here we go. Alright. I have Demolition pedals. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pins. As you can see, 9 pins. Really keeps you stuck on your, I guess, bike. Yeah, it keeps you stuck. I have a stock crank arm, 170 millimeters. When I get new parts, I'm going to get 175 millimeters. So, just so, because I ride a lot of ramps, so it'll give me that extra boost that I need. What else? Alright. I have got my bike, and it is a, we've got S&M holder bars. I really like them. They're very big, and they're sturdy in the air. I have the ODI long neck grips. Really like them. Stock ODI bar ends that came with the grips. I have the Odyssey Elementary stem. I like it. It's pretty good. It looks pretty dope. Alright, I got the Eastern headset integrated. I got a Verde frame. Pretty good. Verde Cartel 2 forks. I have a stock front rim and wheel. Stock front rubber tire. Revenge Industries pegs. Hold on. Sorry. I'm using my iPad right now. Yeah, Revenge Industries pegs. I really like them. They're very strong. Alright, we'll move on to the seat. United Beacon pivotal seat. It's very good. 1664. What's it called? Seat post. I have a Black Label rubber rear tire. And then I have a Black Label stock kind of thing. Black Label rear hub and rim. And again, Revenge Industries. Let me see. That's my other parts. Doesn't really matter. Sprocket that I'll be using will be the, whatchamacallit. The sprocket, it'll probably be like a demolition sprocket. So, yeah. It'll be good. Tight. So, that is pretty much my setup for 2013. My bottom bracket will probably be BSD or something like that. my new cranks are probably going to be stolen mob cranks. Pedals fit. That's really it. I might get a new tire, but if I do that, I'll do an unboxing. So thanks a lot.